Hey YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna do another song. Tracy Bird, Watermelon Crawl. I'm gonna do karaoke version. So here we go. I was driving through Georgia in a late July on a day hot enough to make the devil sigh. I saw a homemade sign written in red, Ryan, come on home, that's the bullhead. Well, I wasn't in a hurry, so I slowed down, took a 2-lane road to a one-horse town. There was a party going on. When I got there, I heard a welcome speech from a small town mayor. He said we got the biggest, made from the biggest watermelons on the vine. Help yourself, son, if you obey the law. If you drink, don't drive, do the watermelon crawl. When the band started playing, the Watermelon Queen said, let me show you how, something y'all ain't never seen. She grabbed me by the arm, said, here, come on, let's go. She dipped down, spun around, and do-si-doed. She rocked back on her heels, dropped to her knees, crawled across the floor, then she jumped back on her feet. It was made from the biggest watermelons on the vine. She said we're gallons of sweet red wine made from the biggest watermelons on the vine. Help yourself to some, but obey the law. If you drink, don't drive, do the watermelon crawl. If you're ever down in Georgia, round about July, if you ain't in a hurry, then you ought to stop by. I can guarantee they're gonna have a ball learning how to do the watermelon crawl. Well, we got 100 gallons of sweet red wine made from the biggest watermelons on the vine. Help yourself to some, but obey the law. If you drink, don't drive, do the watermelon crawl. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.